Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Today I have kind of something we in Denmark would call madbrød, or translated to food bread. It's kind of like a bread that's kind of like a whole meal, and it's kind of like inspired from sausage rolls. It's a bit of weird. It's also good, but I don't really know what to call it really. It is some very soft dough that doesn't dry out, so just perfect for the lunch box. You can also easily freeze this bread and then take up, heat in the oven whenever you need it. But it is a delicious soft bread with some sausages in, ham, cheese, bell pepper and spring onion. It is really such a good, yummy lunch, and it is not that difficult to make. Let's get started. In a stirring machine, I'm going to crumble up some fresh yeast. And add in some sparkling water. Just let it sit for about 2-3 minutes. Stir it a bit around. In with some eggs, melted butter, sugar, salt, give it a stir. And in with all of my flour. All I have to do now is just to stir until I have a nice sticky dough. Then in with some chopped sausages, and I'm just using some cocktail sausages today, so they are kind of small, but you can also just use regular sausages and cut in some smaller bits. Shredded ham, chopped red bell pepper and chopped spring onions. Shredded mozzarella cheese, just stir this together until you have a nice, delicious dough with the filling well mixed in. Cover the dough up and let it rise for about an hour or until double in size. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven, or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. Just going to add some flour to the table and take my dough out and knead it a little bit. Time to place the dough on a baking sheet with some parchment paper on. I'm going to make it really easy for myself. I'm just going to add a bit of oil on top so the dough doesn't stick to my fingers, and then I'm just going to kind of shape the bread out so it is nice and flat. And remember, it rises quite a bit in the oven. I have some melted butter in a cup. it in with some fresh chopped parsley and just mix that well and brush the top with the mix. Bake this bread in the oven for about 25 to 28 minutes until it is really nice and golden brown on the top. After that, just let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes before you cut in some smaller bits and serve it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe for my bread, and if you want to give it a go, all ingredients are down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye!